Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to unpin messages in Zangi. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Zangi app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you're gonna see options like chats, calls, contacts, and settings. Go ahead, stay on chats, then open the chat that you have a message pinned on and you want to unpin. Now, once you do that, on the top of the screen, you're gonna see pinned messages. Now right beside the pinned message, you're gonna see cross sign. So go ahead and tap on that cross sign and select unpin all. And guys, that's it. That's how you unpin messages in Zangi. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.